When scanning a photo, Photoshop can speed up the process for you. Simply create a loose scan and then choose File, Automate, Crop and Straighten Photos. And you'll notice it analyzes the image and attempts to remove any fringe. All you need to do now is use the Image Rotation command, and you can go ahead and get the image properly oriented. This technique also works on multiple images. In fact, you can load up your scanner bed and just leave a little space in between all the photos. When you then choose File, Automate, Crop and Straighten Photos, each will be pulled out into its own document. All you need to do is take advantage of the Image Rotation command, and those images will be fixed. You see how quick that is, as you can go through and get all the images split out on their own. Remember, these are all plenty resolution as well, as long as you set your scanner correctly for the initial scan.